YouTube glossary, terms like subscribe and like and edit and editing grind, monetization, de-monetization, YouTube Fanbase Names. Pop singers have more readily available and publicized fan base names such as Beliebers, Arianators, Swifties, used to be Tater Tots. I should put some motivational clips in here. We shall stroll over by the exercise area. Here I'll start with some of the acronyms. SEO, search engine optimization, which is utilizing keywords in the various areas of metadata. The prime ones being, of course, the title and the description, and then, of course, the 500 character tags section. So you want your video to be searchable when people input certain keywords into the YouTube search bar, YouTube being the second largest database in the world following Google and owned by Google. Another one is CPM, which is cost per mil, mil being the Latin word for thousand. Once you're monetized, of course, you get paid per 1,000 views of whichever video that might be. And contingent upon your niche, the largest paying niche is, of course, finance and money, and most specifically, making money using YouTube. So success on YouTube. Not so much the technical aspect, but the financial aspect of it pays the most, and that's between $15 to $30 and up or down, depending on the advertiser interest in your specific video. You get paid $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. So if you've got 100,000 views, $3,000 or $1,500 for one video. And of course, the faster you get said views, the sooner you get paid. And you get paid on a monthly basis, delayed by a month. You know, they have to do their accounting and all that. So calendar month of September 1 to September 30, you get paid between, say, the 10th and the 20th up to the 30th of October. So expect a month delay. There's also CTR, is click-through rate, which is percentage of how many people actually click on your thumbnail. And there's another one. So you want to compose a thumbnail. Some say that really what you want to do is make your thumbnail before you make your video, which helps you focus your video topically as well as from the thumbnail perspective. Since the thumbnail represents your video, one of the things that makes people click off your video quickly is the fact that your thumbnail has misrepresented the video. You want your thumbnail to be accurately aligned with the video topic. And of course, the thumbnail needs to be engaging, but then once they click, you don't want to disappoint them. So ideally, you want them to stay tuned in for the first 30 seconds. And in fact, if the advertisement doesn't get viewed for at least the first 5 seconds, then you don't get paid for that view. It's not counted as a view. So they have to stay on long enough for the advertiser to have to pay for their advertisement, which is at the 5 second mark. You want your video to be engaging enough, and then really the ad has to be engaging enough that they don't click off it at the, I think it's 4 second mark, which they're required to watch whenever the ad comes on. And then their earliest option to click off the ad is at 4 seconds, and you want them to stay on until 5 seconds so that you get paid.